Hello my dear crafters, today I bring you the March release of Scrap Diva Designs, and I'm really excited to show you not only the die sets but what I've been working on with them. So the first one is actually an add-on to the card box, the A2 card box that was released previously, and you can use this on the top of the card box. But of course it's a beautiful A2 card front panel, all absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you one card that I made. I had a paper with this image here of this flower bee, and I added this beautiful, just in white, but of course you can pop it with another color, but I wanted something very subtle, and I added a few pearls on each flower. And how beautiful is that when you have something like this, a nice die set that all you need is a pattern paper. You can have like flowers on the background or greenery and just the flowers on the the outside. You can just stamp a sentiment and you have a beautiful card. These are the kind of die sets that makes it really easy to make a beautiful card. So there you are, that's an example, and it also comes with these two flower things here. So you can cut and leave it at one color. This one I use my Copic coloring, and you can match the color of your paper as well. That's what I love about it. So these are two dies that come with it too. It's not just the just like the outline. So that's the first one. This one is the add-on flowers. Guys, this one, you won't believe it, and all of this is already on the website, and I do recommend you buy it because I'm coming up with tutorials for them, especially the boxes. So this one is called 3D Egg Carrier. You might look at it and go, I don't know, what does that look like? So let me show you. Here is what, I'm gonna put this aside. Guys, look at how beautiful this is. That's what it looks like. Absolutely wonderful. You're going to play with your kids and paint eggs or go egg hunting. How about having a beautiful box to give to them so they can put their eggs inside and carry them to their homes? But not only that, I love to stretch my dies. What I'm going to come up with for the tutorial is, of course, I'll show you how to put it together. Not complicated at all, but I'll also give you an option to not have this and turn this into a bag, like a purse. So I'll have the sides covered and you'll be able to carry it like a purse. So it will be a beautiful gift box. I'll give you two options on how to use these dies, okay? But that's what that makes. Look at the flower. I added a little bee here to the bowl just to make it more springy, I guess. So there you are, that's what it makes. Wonderful, easy to make, and I will come up with the tutorial. So do get the die, and never forget, guys, when you buy at Scrap Diva Designs, use my coupon code Paula and you get 10% off. So that's the the other thing I can't forget. So this I use for this one, I use some Velcro so you can use and reuse, and look how perfect this is. Let me get some here for, if you do craft fairs or if you want to gift your friends. That's for, I know, when Easter is over, you can use this over and over again for your, look at that, perfect for your, look at that, coffee pods. Perfect for this kind of coffee pods, and this will be great for your craft fair as well. Just change the paper, and that's another use for it. I'm always, when I look at a die set, I always try to, okay, what else can I do with it? Because, they can be pricey, and we should be able to use it over and over again. So there you are. I'm going to put this aside, and the tutorial is coming up, so get the dies and we'll have some fun together. They also sent me two Easter words, 1 and 2. So one is 1, the other one is 2. Makes beautiful. I love this. I love this kind of die sets because you use all year long too. So it has the outline and the lettering themselves. Let me show you what they look like. I have some here. just so you have an idea of the font and what it looks like. So wonderful. You can use all year long, except for the Easter, of course, and egg. But you have garden, candy, flower. This is great for Valentine's. Happy family. Here you can, you know, mix and match the words, and that's not all the words. That's just a few. They have two. They have the 1 and 2. So check it out. So that's what they look like. And guys, the last one, I left the best for last, in my opinion. You guys know I love my boxes and I love my books. This is called the 3D Vintage Storybook. I also will teach you how to put this together. It has way more dies here inside. It's not just this, but it makes a book. I haven't made it yet. I'm still putting it together and creating a tutorial for you. But it makes a beautiful, it looks like when you open on the side, it looks like a book with, you know, the corner rounded like that. When you open it up, it's like a shadow box inside. So it's a book that when you open, it's actually a box. So absolutely my favorite from this collection. I'm in love with it. I haven't made it yet, but I will bring to you the tutorial. Again, one of those, remember, if you do craft fairs, I've told you over and over again that I sell a lot of packaging ideas. So boxes, bags, little purses, just little gift boxes, and this will be one that I'll use for my craft fair. I'll make a whole bunch of those with Christmas motifs on them, but you can make them for, if you have craft fairs coming up, you can make them for spring, any time of the year, summer craft fair. It's one of those that you can use all year long, and it will be a great thing to have, and also for your craft room organization as well. So that's Scrap Diva Designs March release. I have some of the things made here that I showed you. Here's my beautiful card. So that's it for today. Use my coupon code so you can get a 10% discount. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.